Hi guys, welcome to Tyresqueal.com. I'm Naz. In Tyresqueal news this week, we take a look at the Lamborghini Centurion, Maserati's Levante and the Citroen DS E-Tense, and also the Renault Alpine concept. This is Citroen's 400 brake horsepower E-Tense concept car. This all-electric car has a monocoque chassis and only weighs an incredibly light 1800 kilograms, which accelerates this French guy to 62 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. That is stupidly fast. The new Alpine Vision concept, this car packs a punch with 300 brake horsepower and extremely light 1100 kilogram chassis. Expect to see the production version in 2017. It obviously has inspirations from the classic, beautifully designed A1110 Alpines. Here is Maserati's Levante. They finally make a move into the luxury SUV market. Details are a little thin right now, but expect Maserati's Q4 intelligent all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission. I am more excited by the fact that Maserati gets its engines from its sister company, Ferrari. This is Lamborghini's presence to itself in the form of the Centurion. As always, the styling is typically Lamborghini, loud and brash. The car is celebrating Ferruccio Lamborghini's centenary birthday, so happy birthday, Ferruccio. And lastly, Bibski's Top Gear has announced the full lineup. The new series has 6 stars, including Matt LeBlanc of Friends fame, Chris Evans, and also our favourite YouTubers Chris Harris, Rory Reid, as well as Nürburgring Speed Queen Sabine Schmitz and F1 pundit Eddie Jordan. Anyway guys, you've been watching Tyresqueal.com. My name's Naz. Please subscribe and see you guys next week. Bye bye.